This is St David's, and it is the smallest city in Britain with a population of less than 2,000. To be in St David's on St David's Day, you just have this wonderful feeling. People come here for miles just to be in St David's Cathedral on St David's Day.
Well, not many people know probably that he was a teetotal vegetarian. So I like to think that when I'm going along the lanes picking things, that he might have been picking exactly the same things that I do now.
So here we try to focus on farm to fork. We work with local farmers, fishermen, suppliers to get as much produce as possible from as close as possible.
Over the past 3 or 4 years, I started painting the residents of St David's, and the original idea was to paint as many as I could. The idea of a city of portraits sounded quite dynamic.
So around St David's we've got Ramsey Island, the Bishops and the Clarks, Scomore Island, and further offshore Grasham and the Smalls. We've got all the dolphins and whales like minke whales, fin whales and even orca whales.
We are a city because we have a cathedral, but all our statutes are probably lost in medieval times. But we were delighted when the Queen came back to St David's in 2005 and granted us our letters patent, which means that we are now a city, a full city in the real sense.
We're very proud of the fact that we're a city, and we're very quick to tell people. They'll come in and they'll say, oh, which way to the cathedral? And we'll direct them down and they say, oh, your village is beautiful, or your town is beautiful. No, it's a city.
Oh, I just love it here. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else, and it's the scenery, the people.
There's no place like working in St David's, living in St David's. I've moved away quite a few times and I keep coming back, and this is the last time. I'm going to stay here forever.
St David's is a unique place. It may be the smallest city in the UK, but it's definitely the friendliest.